Macomb, how may I help you?
Yeah, how you doing? I'd like to speak to a lawyer about a police misconduct issue I've been having since like 2015.
Sure, hold on 1 second, please. Okay, sir, sorry. May I get your name, please?
Kevin. Last name Uglis, U-G-L-I-S.
And a police situation. And your phone number?
586-222-1118.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Hi, Kevin. This is Bill Goodwin from Macomb County. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. How can I help you today?
I just been wanting to find out about legal assistance. Since 2015, the Macomb County Sheriff's Enforcement Team have been harassing me constantly. First, because I was a medical marijuana patient and I grew my own stuff, and they kept trying to set up stings to get me to sell to them, which I never did. And then ever since then, man, it's been like they've been following me everywhere I go, harassing me because I confronted them about quit following me around, man. And this detective calls Kozlowski and his team. And I don't know what to do anymore, man. I tried to move to California, man. If they followed me out there, I don't know what to do anymore.
Who followed you to California?
The detectives from Macomb County Sheriff's Department, man. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. I have pictures of them at the airport with me and everything.
Why did they follow you?
Because they took it personal, man. They're like I can just see the anger in their face, man.
Because you do medicinal.
Because I want to sell them, they couldn't set me up. I've had dealings with these guys before, man. It's a joke here in Macomb County, man. The way they policed it, the way they policed the neighborhood.
Macomb County, police harassment. Problem is, there's no law that says the police can't really, investigate or follow you. There's laws that protect your rights in terms of right to privacy and rights to an illegal search without probable cause or a search warrant. There's rights to prevent them from entering your home. There's rights, all different types of rights. But unfortunately, if they deem you suspicious, if they believe you're reasonable,
well, I do nothing now. I have no medical marijuana. I got rid of all that stuff. I do nothing. There's no reason why they would have any suspicion to follow me for anything.
I understand. I'm just not sure, because we've gotten this call before. There's nothing we can do to help you out, because if they're not violating your rights and if there's no damages, then the's really nowhere to go from here.
So they're acting under the color of law and they're stalking me. How is that not a violation of my rights?
But once we investigate it, they throw some certain things that you've done maybe, or give some reason why they believe you're suspicious, and then they're off the hook as long as they're not grossly negligent. There's like a gap in the law, right? If they do something really severe, like search you without a warrant, or arrest you without probable cause, stuff like that, then then you're protected and your damages can be calculated for a lawsuit. However, stalking you or patrolling you or investigating you, they're not doing it. They're not violating your rights, at least in terms of the law.
Okay, well, how about acting like a doctor at the Henry Ford Hospital? How about that? Is that a violation?
A doctor at the Henry Ford Hospital is following you?
No, one of their detectives is posing as a doctor, yes.
A doctor, if he's following you and stalking you, you can get a personal protection order against the doctor saying that he's following me and threatening me and causing me, pain and suffering, and get a personal protection order, court order to prevent him from doing that.
Okay, so the cops can do whatever they want then, is what you're saying.
They can't do whatever they want, but they can investigate whatever they deem reasonably suspicious, which is assure what they're going to say about you, even though, and it's tough to prove that they're lying. But they can't do whatever they want. They can't search your car without reasonable suspicion. They can't search your home without a search warrant. They can't arrest you without probable cause.
Okay, but they can follow me anywhere they want, no matter what, with no cause.
Not no matter what, but pretty much, as long as they think there's reasonable suspicion, yeah.
Okay, and that reasonable suspicion would be what?
Whether they believe that you're a drug dealer, whether they believe that you're a drug user, whether they believe that you're a criminal, as long as they believe that it's reasonably suspicious, then that's fine. Now, if let's say you were determined to be a drug dealer, let's say, and we found out that the reason they were following you was not because they thought you were a drug dealer, but because they thought you were Middle Eastern or something like that, and that they were racially profiling you, then any evidence that they would obtain based on that search would not be admissible in court. So, but if they have reasonable suspicion that you're doing something wrong, then they cover the basis.
Okay. So someone else can't stalk me, but the police can.
Someone else, if they're stalking you, you can get a personal protection order against them civilly through the courts, and it can be enforced, through civil.
So how can a cop stalk me and not be held liable for it?
Because the police, in a lot of people's eyes, not everyone's eyes, are out to protect citizens.
Okay, but they're not out to protect me, I know that.
Well, I understand your point of view, but in this case, if they believe that you're up to something, which I'm not saying that you are, but if they believe that, then their rationale behind investigating you is to protect the rest of the citizens.
Okay. This country is like fucking Nazi Germany, man. I don't know how that ever fucking happened, man. This is sad.